If you work in an agile environment, you may have adopted or you're gradually adopting the 4 core values of the Agile Manifesto. First up, we value individual interactions over processes and tools. Here we're saying that people come first. The people on the project are more important than whatever process we are following or whatever tools we're using. Number 2, we value working software over comprehensive documentation. This one can be a little stressful for BAs that are coming from a traditional approach of project implementation. Does this mean that we don't do any documentation? Of course we do, but not just as much. And certainly not as important as the product itself. Number 3, we value customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Sure, we need contracts. They are part of what makes business work. But it's much more important for us to collaborate with our customers to deliver what they really need than to argue over every line item in a statement of work. And then lastly, we value responding to change over following a plan. The world is changing incredibly quickly these days. Technology is created, it grows to maturity, and it becomes relevant all within a span of years. New business models pop up and then entirely replaced by newer ones. We are racing our competitors to introduce new capabilities, and delaying just by a couple of weeks can make a huge difference. Making plans is important, but being able to respond to change is more valuable.